In this video, I'm going to show you how to extract data out of your financial statements. So come over here to Tools, click on the PDF importer, and then select a document, just drag it in to upload. Next, draw a box around the part of the document that you want to extract. If you want to move a different page, you can do that as well. And everything inside of the boundary box will get extracted. So click Extract Data. Then insert active cell just means it'll get dropped into wherever your cursor is. So make sure it's in the right place. Click Insert Active Cell. Cool. So we can close that. Or if you want to add multiple things at once, you can kind of go back here and do the second page. Next, to clean the data with AI, select the range of all the cells that you want to clean. Right-click and click Edit with AI. And then you'll have to make a prompt. So, add a prompt. This is just, type in plain English and tell AI how you want things to clean up. I'll add this prompt in a clickable link in this tutorial modal, so you can just copy paste it in. Otherwise, if you want to make your own, click Apply. And then wait maybe like 10 seconds for things to work. And then when it's done, you'll see this message pop up, and here is your data. If you want to go back and see what it was before, you can just undo, redo, and that's it.